Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Tech Genius here with another video. Today's video is on common issues in mobile repair. Get your book and pen ready. Let's sit back, stay to the end and enjoy this amazing video. Number 1, we have broken screen. When the screen of a phone gets damaged, it is best for you to repair or replace the screen from a reliable repair center. Number 2, we have charging port issues. When your phone experiences slow or no charging, the issue is that there is a small metal connector in the USB port that is not connecting the charging cable properly into the phone to allow flow of electricity into the device. Number 3, we have water damage. Did you fall or spill your phone inside water? If your phone is not IP resistant or waterproof, here are some tips that can help you. Quickly remove your phone and turn it off. Remove your SIM card and SD card. Clean it with a cotton to remove some excess water and put it in rice to dry up the remaining water for some hours. Number 4, we have battery draining. This may result as to faulty battery or swollen battery or excess use. Number 5, you have speakers not working. If your phone speaker starts causing problem, the first thing you should check is your headphone output. If your device is still in headphone mode, then yes, you can perform a phone rebooting. If it doesn't work, take it to a mobile repair center. Number 6, we have frequent hanging. If your phone starts hanging, it's a sign that your device RAM is being overused or there's a malware application present in your phone. Number 7, we have phone overheating. Every phone generates heat through 3 main components: CPU, battery, and screen. And when your phone starts overheating, it can cause damage to the phone and to the motherboard. Number 8, we have internet connection issue. This may be due to wrong network setting or temporary network error from service providers. Number 9, we have button not working. When the phone button is not working, it's related to software glitches, or the software may be hindering the functionality of the phone's soft keys. Number 10, we have app crashes. It's usually because the app is not compatible with your operating system, or there's a bug or virus in the app that is not safe for your phone. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Please turn on your notification to get alerted of our next new video. Bye for now.